Hi friends, welcome back to Stockwood channel. Today we'll be discussing about the life insurance sector in India. So the life insurance sector in India is also one of the major sectors in India which is growing at around 32 to 34% every year. So this is also the fifth largest life insurance market in the world. Also, if you see the growth of life insurance sector in India in terms of the insurance density, which was around $44 per capita for the life insurance in FY15, which has grown to $58 per capita in FY20. While the other part, the non-life insurance sector has grown from around $11 to $19, which is almost 2x in 5 years. This is also seen in some of the reports that the recent reports also that the non-life insurance industry is growing at around 16%, driven mainly by the health and the motor insurance business. So if you see the life insurance penetration in India, which is at very low level currently, which is around 3% for life insurance sector and less than 1% for non-life insurance. This is comparatively lower to the global average of around 7% to GDP. Also, in terms of penetration, compared to the other countries like Taiwan, South Africa, USA, and UK, which has a much higher penetration of around 14%, 12%, 11%, and 11.1%, while India is still under 5%. So, also, friends, do subscribe to this channel for regular updates about stock market investing. Further, let us see what are the various sectors that cover under the non-life insurance. That usually covers like insurance for fire, marine insurance, health insurance, motor insurance, and travel insurance. So basically, investors who are interested to have some part of their portfolio in the insurance sector should look into these high growth sectors within the insurance sector while investing in any of the companies. So keeping these things in mind, I'll be discussing about two life insurance companies that is listed in the stock market. So while these companies I'm discussing only for educational purpose, I would highly recommend investors to thoroughly research and make their own due diligence before investing in these stocks. If the information shared in the video is useful, humble request to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to come with more such videos and help the YouTube algorithm. So the first company which I'll be talking today is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company. So ICICI Lombard was established in the year 2001 as a JV between ICICI Bank and Fairfax Financial Holding. ICICI still holds around 64% of the stake in this company. In terms of market share, it holds almost around 8.1% in the general life insurance industry and is also the second largest player in the general insurance sector and also the largest private sector non-life insurance in the country. Further, if you see the portfolio breakup of ICICI Lombard in terms of gross written premium, that is the premium paid by the customers to the company, it stood at around 18,500 crores in FY22, out of which 22% or 23% was from the motor insurance for their own vehicles and 23% was for the motor insurance for the third party insurance. While health, travel, personal, and accident contributed 22% of their overall GWP, fire was contributed 16%, while marine, crop, and others contributed 3, 4, and 9%. ICICI Lombard, while growing organically, is also looking for inorganic growth. While in 2001, they acquired a similar general insurance company called Bharti AXA, which actually holded around 1.4% share in the general insurance sector. Coming to the financials of ICICI Lombard, it has a market cap of around 63,800 crores with stock PE of 36.9, which is much lower than the industry average of 49.8. It has a very good ROCE of 21.9 and ROE of 17.6, while its debt to equity is 0. It also pays a small dividend with a dividend yield of 0.77. Further, if you see the stock price of ICICI Lombard, it is currently trading at almost its 52 high, with while the PE ratio of it is much lower than its 5-year median of 46.2, which is currently trading at around 36.6. Further, if we see the quarterly results of ICICI Lombard over the last 10 quarters, its revenue has grown exponentially from the levels of 2,800 crores to 4,500 crores. While operating margin in the last quarter is in negative, the net profitability of the company is still positive at around 437 crores. Further, if we see the shareholding pattern of ICICI Lombard, the promoters have a strong holding of around 48.02%, while the FIs also have invested in this company with its stake ranging from around 26%, 24% in the recent quarters. The DIs have also started accumulating this stock over the last 4 quarters, which was around 15% in June of 2022 to the current levels of 17.23. So the second insurance company which I'll be discussing today is Star Health. Star Health is one of the leading health insurance company, while the company has only one business vertical, that is the health insurance, which is actually a moat for the company, can also be a risk for investors in certain times like that of the pandemic, because the percentage of claims will increase in times of pandemic. The other positive factor of Star Health Insurance, it is has a pan-India presence with almost around 779 health insurance branches across 25 states and 5 union territories. Coming to the price of Star Health Insurance, it was listed in the year 2021 in December at a price of around 906 rupees, after which it has consistently corrected over the last couple of years, and it has not reached the IPO price yet. But in terms of the PE ratio, it is currently trading at a PE ratio of 50, which is closer to the industry PE of 49.8. The other positive things about Star Health Insurance is it is a debt-free company or near to debt-free company with a debt to equity of 0.07. If you see the quarterly results of Star Health Insurance, the sales of this company has continuously increased over the last 10 quarters, which was around 1,500 crores in December 2020 to the levels of 3,000 crores in March 2023. Also, the net profitability has turned positive in the recent quarters by which is around 200 crores to 100 crores, which was around negative 242 crores in December 2020. Further, if we see the shareholding pattern of Star Health Insurance, the promoters have a holding of around 58.29% in the company, while FIS, which was only around 9% in December 2021, has increased the stake to 35% in the recent quarter, while the DIS, which was around 27% in December of 2021, has reduced the stake to 1.44%. So this was a short video about insurance sector in India and two companies which are listed in the stock market. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.